quarantine video. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Woo boo boo!
Have you been quarantined playing video games all day? Well, after this game, you should break out your Instapot and make yourself some chicken.
Yeah! Woo! Champion! Yeah! Oh, I'm getting hungry. Well, I heard that Instapot had that frozen chicken to cook chicken in 20 minutes. I'm gonna check her out, or Cletus taught me that one. So we're gonna stick this right up in there in 20 minutes. It's supposed to be frozen to perfect, so that's probably good enough. Get these beans on. Pressure cook. That looks good to me. All right. Lever's pushed. All right.
Well, that was easy as a drop and set. Set it and go. I might as well get myself some laundry done since I got a few extra minutes. Oh man, those were the days.
I can nail out a fast moto real quick. You know, back when I was racing 80 cc's and stuff, I remember this kid named Anthony Rudolph. You know, super fast kid on a YZ. Him and Brandon Layton were pretty quick. And I remember every once in a while we'd get this call midweek, and it'd be his dad. He's not going to be able to make it to the races, but his kid's racing, but his clutch is slipping. And I remember we tore apart the insides of his bike, and it turned out it was the inner hub of the clutch basket on those YZs. It just started shaking. So just happened we actually had one, and we put it in, and it's like, I think that was the last time we did a clutch for the kid for a while. I mean, he was just mobbing on that 80. Probably at 100 is pretty fast. Oh, dang old 4 minutes. I better check that laundry. All right, it's time. Woo-hoo. So that's your 30 minutes frozen to cooked on your plate and back to gaming. Quarantine video. Thanks for watching. Like and share. Woo boo boo.